Hello, this video is intended for ROBOTILL resellers. If you are a ROBOTILL user or customer, please have a look at one of our other training videos instead. In this video, we will be looking at the reseller registration pack. If you are new to Jarvis, please have a look at our POS reseller training video. In your Jarvis account, go to Settings and make sure your company telephone number, business name, and website details are correct. This information will be part of your reseller pack that will be imported into ROBOTILL. This is the information your clients will see when they want to renew their ROBOTILL license. Click on Registration Pack to get your registration pack. Copy the info. Make sure you copy everything in the registration pack box and nothing else. Open Notepad and save the info into a Notepad file. You can save the file to a USB memory stick that you can keep with you. You only need to do this once, as you can use the same registration pack for all your registrations. You only need to create a new file if your company details change. Let's have a look at how you will use your registration pack when you register one of your computers. When you go to the license section, you will see that ROBOTILL's information is being displayed. You are going to replace this with your own information. Click on Request Registration. You need to enter the business name of your client. This name will appear as part of the logo in the retail and restaurant apps. The name must be specific to the shop or restaurant. ROBOTILL support will not allow you to use a generic name for all your clients. Select the type of registration you require. Select the option that you are a reseller. Insert your USB drive with the registration pack, or alternatively, you can get it directly from Jarvis. Copy the info and paste it into the registration pack box. Click on Generate. The info will be copied to the clipboard. You can either email it to ROBOTILL support, or you can register the PC yourself using Jarvis. In the license info section, you will see that it still displays ROBOTILL's info, but that will change when we register the PC. Go to your Jarvis account. Go to My Licenses. In your Open License, click on Register PC. Paste the registration information that was just copied to the clipboard of the PC you want to register. Click on Register and check your email for the keys. Copy the keys from your email and go to Register this PC in the License section. Click on Paste Keys and then on Register this PC. The ROBOTILL apps will be in the full edition once they are restarted. But more importantly for you is that your company information will be displayed in the License section. This will include a link to your website or social media page, as well as your business name, email address, and telephone number. If you didn't add a website or telephone to your profile, then these fields will simply be omitted. When it is time for the client to renew, your information will be displayed and you will again make some money from the sale. Please consult our reseller program documentation for more details. Thank you for watching.